Here's some traditionally baked goods trivia. Subscribe. What is a traditional Mexican baked bread? Is it A, tres leches, B, pan de muerto, C, churro, or D, tortilla? The correct answer is B, pan de muerto. What Italian dessert is made with mascarpone and coffee? Is it A, zabaione, B, cannoli, C, tiramisu, or panna cotta? The correct answer is C, tiramisu. What is the primary ingredient in gingerbread? Is it A, flour, B, ginger, C, honey, or D, cinnamon? The correct answer is B, ginger. What is the name of a baked pudding made with milk and eggs? Is it A, flan, B, cheesecake, C, bread pudding, or D, panna cotta? The correct answer is A, flan. What traditional German bread is often made with rye? Is it A, sourdough, B, C, pumpernickel, or D, pretzel? The correct answer is C, pumpernickel. What is the name of the Italian sweetbread traditionally baked during Easter? Is it A, babka, B, pandoro, C, panettone, or D, colomba? The correct answer is D, colomba. What is the primary ingredient in puff pastry? Is it A, butter, B, eggs, C, cream, or D, sugar? The correct answer is A, butter. What type of dessert is known as meringue? Is it A, tiramisu, B, cheesecake, C, profiterole, or D, pavlova? The correct answer is D, pavlova. What sweetbread is traditionally braided and served during Jewish holidays? Is it A, challah, B, brioche, C, baguette, or D, croissant? The correct answer is A, challah. What popular pastry is filled with custard and topped with caramel? Is it A, creme brulee, B, tiramisu, C, eclair, or D, panna cotta? The correct answer is A, creme brulee. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.